What's up, guys? Just want to give a little update. Uh, Before you guys are expect me to get rid of anything, so far everything is gonna stay, unless something dramatic happens. But I went out on a whim and I picked up another project car. To give you a little background, I had one back in 2014, 2015, and I regretted getting rid of it ever since. It might not be something you guys like, but I like them. And I'm hoping one day that people will appreciate them more. It's a deal I couldn't pass up. Sitting for a few years, it's going to need an engine, but here it is. It's a 2007 Saturn Ion Redline. It's a comp package, so it's got the ladder tack and it's got the LSD and the Recaros. They're a little dirty. I'm doing a before shot because I'm gonna clean it up and show you guys what it looks like afterwards. 70,000 miles and it's already got a rod knock, so I want to say somebody took the engine out of it and put it in theirs because it does have a salvage title. But it could be worse. I'm actually really excited to have another one. It's actually really clean underneath. Only thing rusty is the heat shields. The back panel's in the trunk, or in the back seat. I had to put a battery in it. It actually started up on 4-year-old gas, surprisingly enough. Like, it runs like a top, it just has a rod knock. So I'm not going to show you guys that today, because I think I'm going to pull the oil pan. They've got bracing underneath, so I don't remember if I can get to the rods or not, but I'm going to try it. Yeah, you can see that she's a little dirty. We're going to get a nice good cleaning. If I can get this to open. Well, there we go. Nothing done really performance-wise. A cheap eBay Canon polyurethane mounts. That's pretty much it. Everything else on it is stock. So hopefully in the near future she will be running. I'm gonna take a Saab engine and put it in there because they're about a quarter of the price. She's got some dings and some dents. Got clear coat fading. Some cracks in the bumper. Oh yeah, look at how dirty that is. I mean, 4 years of sitting. It smelled like lacquer when it was running, out of all things. Just because it was sitting so long. The only downside is that the bumper is cracked. They tried taping it up, which stinks. It's the only bad thing about Saturn panels. They say dentless and dingless, which they are, but they crack like a motherfucker. So, hopefully y'all will see that running. I'll get a video of it after it's cleaned, and hopefully things turn out good. As you can see, everything's still in the garage, or everything is still here. The only thing that's changed, just pop open the garage real quick. Is that we put a GSX in the garage. My buddy is going to start doing videos on that soon. If y'all want to check him out, I'm going to tear out the engine, rebuild it, get her back on the road, paint it. As you can see, test panels, trying to figure out which color we wanted. All the bikes, the Datsun. I'm surprised everything's squeezed in here. So other than my table, the garage is clean. For all of you commenting on it. Yeah, that's it. Just a little update. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me.